How to throw perfect with any QB in NCAA 25. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to get your throw perfect, there might be a couple of settings that you can easily try. So the first one is you can just pop up your settings menu for this and try to increase your pass accuracy. In the settings, you can adjust some of the pass speed and also the receiver target. By this settings, there will be more smoother and more accurate passes and speed. However, this totally does not guarantee you to perfect the throw in one go. While there isn't a specific perfect throw settings in NCAA 25, there are adjustments you can make to improve your passing accuracies and consistency. Also, make sure that you practice your throws while you are in your practice mode. You can try to read out the defenses, anticipate receiver routes, timing, and everything. So those were some of the tips that you can try to have a perfect throw. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.